Hi, this is Dakota Peterson. Doing homework number 8, and I'm gonna show in the virtual machine the two different questions. So for question 1, this is all in HKey current user. So I go to software, Microsoft, then I go down to Windows, current version, down to policies and control panel. So I actually made this key control panel when there wasn't any drop-down menu for policies. So I made the key, and then I went ahead and I made the D word, and I set it to 1 for no control panel. I'm going to try restarting this to see if it'll work, but that should remove the control panel for the users on the machine. Now for question 2, I'm going to go ahead and show what I did for question 2 while I'm here, then we'll restart the whole thing and see if it works. If it doesn't, I have all my work here though. So, okay, so for question 2, that one's actually not in Microsoft. It goes software and then policies, then Microsoft, then Windows. Then I made a key for Cred UI, and I did disable password reveal, and I set that to 1. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I'm going to restart Windows just so that we can save the changes to the registry. And my own account is the administrator account, so we'll see if this takes effect. Okay, the eye is still there. So that one didn't work. And let's see if control panel works. Okay, so I'm obviously not doing something right, but I do have the work. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this in as is. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, and I'd appreciate it. Okay, thank you.